Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to put or how to comment GIFs on Instagram comment. So, this is the Instagram post, and for any post or reel, if you want to comment GIF, you can do that. So, you need to click on this option. See here, when you want to write a comment, give the space. Before writing any comment, if you completely remove everything without no text, you will see this GIF option. Click on this GIF, and in the GIF you can search uh, your favorite GIF. For example, birthday. Maybe as for this example, I'm just saying birthday. If birthday GIF images are available, you can post one. See, this is the GIF comment edit. So what if you are not getting this option? The first thing you need to do is go to Play Store and search for Instagram, and if there is update, just update the app. Okay, just search for Instagram, and if there is an update, please do update the app. If there is update here, update the app. And in one more case, Instagram won't allow if you send gifs from your keyboard. See here, on my keyboard, this is a Gboard, there is a GIF option here also. We shouldn't use this GIFs, because if we try to comment this one, it says Instagram doesn't support image insertion here. So you should only use this GIF option. This is directly from the Instagram, and here you can choose one, and here from here you can uh, comment some GIF. Okay, I'm deleting this. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.